So I'm sure we've all been in a group setting, whether at work or school, where communication wasn't great, right?
Right.
Right.
In fact, when I faced this challenge, I was in a group project in school, trying to make sure everyone can be seen. I was in a group project in school. All of the group members, including myself, did the same part of the assignment because there was no communication about who would do which part. Did we all agree? Do we all agree that is frustrating?
Yeah.
Yes.
In today's society, most of our work is done online. More of our work is being moved online with technology advances. Today I will be discussing different platforms to help solve group communication conflicts. I highly encourage you to consider these platforms as they provide more flexibility and hand-on tools for working virtually. To get started, let's look at some research done by Virginia Brannett. She concluded that communication issues for virtual teams included both the tools or technologies for communications and the rules of engagement. Tammy Rice Bailey research study gives a solution to this problem. She suggests agreeing upon the use of communication platforms to cut down on confusion. You can use these platforms such as Zoom or Google Meets. These platforms allow you to send messages as well as video chat. I know you use video chat.
I do.
Yes.
I do.
If using Google Meet, you can send video or voice messages as well as videos or photos from your device's gallery. Another great feature of Google Meet is the ability to pin messages for all group members to see, including those who haven't joined the video call yet. Keeping the read recept setting turned on verifies all members have received and read their messages. This can prevent members of the group stating that they never received messages. Another platform to look at is Zoom. It has different features to help with communication. Zoom is like FaceTime. Pretty much.
Oh, okay.
Yeah. This lets you brainstorm and give context during meetings. A lot of things went to Zoom during COVID.
Oh, uh-huh.
You know what I mean? Because
Yes.
it like doctor's appointments. I know recovery groups went to Zoom, like AA and NA meetings went to Zoom. Let's see. Another platform to look at is Zoom. It has different features to help with communication. Zoom has a whiteboard feature for drawing examples, uploading images. This lets you brainstorm and give context during meetings. Annotation is another feature Zoom has. You can highlight important information to help group members follow along. Before we move on, I'd like to show you some examples of Zoom and whiteboards animation features. Okay, so this right here is Zoom whiteboard. This is an example of a few of Zoom whiteboards templates. Here are quite a few for scheduling. There is a weekly planner shown here, as well as weekly schedules of different form. And I'll pass these around too, so you guys can see all of them. For Zoom annotation settings, there are some helpful features. You can highlight text, circle, stamp shapes. This can all be done while in a video conference.
Oh, it can be done while you're talking.
Yes.
Oh, very nice.
Yes. Here's some more. This brings me to my next point. While working in virtual groups, we can't pass out paper documents. Not only is this a somewhat outdated process, but it is impossible when working with people who live far away. we have to consider that not everyone has the necessary software for file sharing. I personally like Google Docs. It's always being kept up to date, and all storage is cloud-based, so it will not slow down your device. During my interview with my friend Jordan, she mentioned that she uses Google Docs for work. She likes that option she likes the option that it provides is being shared and edited by multiple users at the same time. You may be thinking that many users editing the same document can be confusing.
Yes.
Yeah.
Yes.
I can reassure you that it's not. Google Doc has track change settings. This allows you to see who's made changes when, and
Oh.
yeah, it shows you the time and stuff.
Oh, that's interesting.
Equally important, organization can be a tough challenge to tackle, especially when working with multiple people. It also seems to get more complicated when working virtually, but that doesn't mean it's impossible. The third platform I encourage you to consider is Trello. I like to use Trello because it can integrate with software such as Google Docs. I'm always on the run with a full schedule, so I appreciate the fact that it's free to use and can be set up in just a few minutes. Trello organizes your projects onto boards such as to do and progress and done. This platform has collaboration features to include assigning tasks to members and due dates. I would like to pause for a minute and introduce you to some Trello boards.
Okay. Oh, that's nice.
This is an example. It shows different to do and progress and done boards. You can see.
Yes.
Uh-huh.
Very nice.
Very organized.
Trello card. This is a Trello card. It shows useful information that is needed often. You are also able to add links, due dates, and members. This is the Trello calendar. This calendar shows what's coming up, what you have completed. It also shows how many tasks you have for a certain day.
Very nice.
Okay. And then here's my works cited page, if anyone wants to look at my works cited page.
Oh, very nice.
All of the platforms that I have on the, let me get up. Everybody wants to turn around. All of these platforms that I have right here are all the communication platforms for virtual groups that I mentioned today in my speech. Without a doubt, communication in virtual groups can be confusing and unproductive. There are tools to make working in virtual groups less stressful and manageable for everyone. I urge you to look at these tools next time you are in a virtual group setting.
Thank you.
I hope
nice.
I hope that was helpful. Does anybody have any questions?
Yes.
Yes.
I was wondering about what is the difference, like comparatively, between Zoom and
And documents?
Yes.
So documents is like, you can make documents. You can put words in there, pictures, and you can print it out. Zoom is like a communication platform. It's like FaceTime or,
So you can't put documents in Zoom, it just takes calls.
yeah, it's like a video chat.
Oh, it's
So
like a video
it's
chat.
multiple, they use it for, like I was saying, like in the recovery community, like whenever everything was COVID, they had to use Zoom for AA and NA meetings.
Or for doctor's appointments.
For doctor's appointments also.
Mhm.
They used it for meetings, just
Meetings.
regular meetings, work meetings and things.
Mhm.
Because, it, you know, like you can see everyone's face and you can communicate
I
and
understand.
that you can, multiple people can be on it at one time.
Oh.
So all of us could use our phone and get on a Google Meet or a Zoom call
Uh-huh.
and we could all see each other.
Oh, I see.
Yeah.
Now the Trello, that is, it's a calendar.
Yes.
I got it now.
Mhm.
Thank you,
Yes.
Caroline.
You're welcome. Any other questions today?
Okay, yeah, I have another question.
Yes.
The Google Meets,
Uh-huh.
now, I guess I'm confused about that.
Yes.
I know what the Zoom and the Docs and the Trello is,
Uh-huh.
but the Google Meets, what is that?
Google Meets is like, kind of like Zoom, but it's just a different platform.
Oh, okay.
Yeah.
All right.
Yes.
And so I can use I can use all of these
Yes.
in my virtual meeting.
Yes. You can.
Oh my gosh, that's wonderful.
Yeah.
Thank you.
You're welcome.
Yes, very good.
Okay.
Very good.
All right, I'm gonna wrap it up here. Thank you guys for coming.
Thank you.
Thanks.
Very good.